everyone! Welcome back to another Ask Say segment. So our first question for today, I'm taking this one from Instagram. And this is from Judy Chiyot. And her question is, Hi po Miss Say, curious lang ako, pag nagsisell po kayo ng mga pre-loved makeup or any other items, sinasali nyo ba yung mga binibigay ng mga sponsors nyo sa binibenta nyo? If yes, na-offend po ba sila? And if no, then what do you do with the makeups na binibigay nila tapos hindi nyo po nagustuhan? Curious lang po ako. Anyway, I'm a big fan. More power and God bless. So a lot of people have been asking about this ever since I held like a makeup sale. So I hold like makeup sales yearly because I receive a lot of makeup every month and there's no way that I can like use everything. Kaya what I do is like, you know, sell them after I do videos and after I, you know, promote these items on my social media sites and even my videos. So I do videos on them and I just really make sure I finish my work before I sell these items. And for me, it's not a problem at all because once something is given to you, it's yours and you can do whatever you want with it. And for me naman, there's nothing wrong kasi ginawa ko yung part ko, ginawa ko yung trabaho ko, na-promote ko yung mga items na yon, and it's just that kulang, isa lang yung mukha ko, hindi ko magagamit lahat ng makeup na yon. And honestly, I don't think that the brands get offended because once you complete your work, it's okay na. Business is business. So yeah, I just see to it that I finish my work before I like sell these items, and I just do it like once a year lang naman, so there's nothing wrong with it. Our second question is from Facebook, and this is from Denden Hanan Ramos, and she asked me what type of apartment I have right now, where it is located, and how much is my rent. So I'm only gonna answer what type of apartment because I don't want to share private information. So this is a studio type apartment. It's only 25 square meters. So yun lang. And the location, it's around Manila. Yun lang yun. And kaya around Manila siya, and it's very near like establishments. Medyo may kamahalan yung rent niya. But I think, you know, for a start, okay na to. So yeah, I'm hunting naman for other, you know, places to permanently stay at in the future. Kaya, still in the process. This one is from Ara Gales Amboja. Hi Miss A, I would like to ask, what are your future plans aside from making vlogs and YouTube videos? So, future plans, definitely like a business of my own kasi something na talagang very alam mong iyo talaga. Kasi we don't really know until when YouTube will last. Kaya kailangan talaga may fallback in bonggang-bonggang tsuba. So, this one is from Chrissy Zaki. Hi, Miss Say, how many are you in the family? I mean, siblings. Because I often see Miss Iza lang kasi. If so, pang ilan po kayo, please shout out. Or shout Becca. Hi, Becca. Hi, Chrissy, Zach, Abby, and Chuchay.
Shout Becca. Becca!
We are 4 girls in the family. I'm the third sister. Third child ako. So, yun. 4 na girls kami. Yun, minsan lang nag-a-appear yung panganay tsaka yung pangalawa. Yeah. The next question is from Ginosa BJ Bisel. Hi, Miss Say. Ask ko lang, paano ka nagbabudget ng daily meal and allowance mo? So, for daily meals, I just recently started going to the wet market more often sa mga palengke. Tapos, whenever I buy stuff from there, usually naglalast siya for 2 to 3 days. Follow-up question, this is from Queen CMJ. At your age, how do you manage your own money? So, part of my money goes to insurance. Kailangan may insurance. I own like 2 plans from Sun Life. Pero kung gusto nyo kumuha kay Mark, True Life. True. Yeah, so insurance, we have savings, rent, electricity, water, food, Uber. Ano pa mga gastos?
Family.
Sa family. This one is from Gail Amoto. Hi, Miss Say, kung sa tingin mo hindi kayo pumasok sa YouTube world, ano ang possible mong work ngayon? I think I've answered this before, but I really want to become a flight attendant. Pero super frustrated flight attendant ako. I want to work for Emirates. Sobrang gusto ko talaga yan, pero I'm not sure if it's gonna happen pa. Now we're moving on to the previous Ask Say video for more questions. This one is from Joniel Pasqua. This is a really funny question. Sabi niya, Sis, na-try niyo na bang magalit as in sobrang galit? Like nakipag-away, like sabunutan or sampalan, salitaan in the past? Please share. Kung may babalikan kang kaaway or nakagalitan. Sino to? Pinatawad mo na ba? Nakakatawa, pero wala. Never pa ako nakasabunot ng tao. Sabunot, sampal, hindi. Wala. Wala pa akong nakaaway na ganun. So,
Pero feeling ko gusto mo.
hindi. Pero hindi naman akong ganun kaano. Never pa talaga ako nagsabunot or whatever. So, yun. In the past, please share. Kung may babalikan kong kaaway or nakagalitan, sino to? They're not worth mentioning at all. Yun lang masasabi ko, girl. So, that's it for Ask Say Tuesday for today. Please do keep on submitting your questions for the next Ask Say Tuesday. We post this kind of videos every Tuesday. So, just go down to the comment box and let me know what your guys' questions are. So, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!